can see, pretty early. Okay, let's get up. What's up, guys? It's about 5:30 in the morning. We're getting ready to go to Tough Mudder, Indiana. Come with us. But first, we gotta get everybody else. Now, you may have noticed we packed a little light today, or at least I have. Can't sure what the others have done, but that's because we are in Cincinnati. So, Tough Mudder, Indy is only about an hour and a half drive for us. It'll be nice to sleep in my own bed tonight.
Alright, ladies and germs, let's get it going.
Alright, I did 12 miles, so 2 laps around. Antonio went back out for another 5K. Rachel only did 1 today, but then she's volunteering. So, let's go hang out in the festival.
When at that iron cross, fight for it. Look at her, right down the middle. The beauty of that iron cross, hard as hard can be. Yeah, girl, that's rare.
Yeah, let's do this. Go again. Okay. Not just your likeness, but the in fact the actual view that is.
Yeah, but we keep that hidden.
It's only for the Patreons. Thank you.
big ol' 3, 2, 1 moment, and you are on the course. How does that sound to you? Me too. We go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go!
Thank you.
You're letting me go first and follow the hole?
You're a great hole finder.
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
Yeah, he can give you another foot if you need. Okay, one, 2, 3. There you go.
I don't know what to do from here.
Go up. Grab on.
You got it, you
Get your torso on top and flip your legs over.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Keep it sturdy, sturdy, sturdy. There's a little step back there.
You're not gonna hurt me, so don't worry about it.
I might hurt Laura. I don't think you can do it. Wait, can I?
And then yeah, then you bring
I
your
don't
body.
want my heel though. Can I do
yeah.
it like the middle of my foot?
Yeah, then bring your body.
But now I'm so far from the wall.
Okay, cool. So come closer.
Can you turn sideways?
Yeah, sure.
Do you have a strategy here?
Yeah, it's definitely a little slippery.
You're gonna go forward.
You got it.
You're good.
You got it,
You're
you got
good.
it.
You're
We got
good.
you.
I can't put
You got
myself
it. We got you.
You're okay.
You're fine.
Put me down. Put me down. Put me down.
You're good. You're good.
I can't.
You were 90% of the way there.
No, but I don't have enough strength to pull myself up.
They were there to lift you.
Admittedly, it's pretty slippery on the side.
You can do it.
I feel like there's not enough room with them up there.
Don't worry about us.
Don't scoot back yet? Yeah, I don't know if it's better for us.
We won't let you fall, okay?
Yeah, give her some room. Give her some room.
So I'm gonna hold your back, and that way you were doing that, weren't you?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
So once I'm up there, what do I do then?
So I got you.
struggling
We'll
down
talk
here,
you
so
through it,
you're
okay?
good.
No, we're not struggling at all.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
There you go.
Get your arms up. They're gonna lift.
And my back and my
There you
shoulder,
go. There you go.
There you go.
Get your-
And now,
We got you. Stay
all you
there
gotta
you
do
go.
is just wiggle that leg over. So wiggle, yeah,
Yep,
Your way, Not your way.
left
Keep
leg.
going. You're good. You're good. You're
got
good.
it,
You
you got
got it. You got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so much, guys.
You did it.
First, rock on, girl.
But Antonio will go. And you did it twice yesterday.
The second time wasn't on though.
Get your booty. Get your booty in there, Antonio. This is for your own good.
We're gonna boost you up.
Give me.
Yeah, keep hand up there. Wherever you can, basically. Alright, get up. There you go. I got you.
I'm good. Thank you. Okay, ready? I don't think I can do it without that corners. Yeah.
You could do it with friendship. We're all in this together. Can you get on that side of her? She only has one good hand. Here we go.
I'm coming. Okay, got it.
Sprint!
Woo.
Go, 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 go!
Sure.
Run! I got you. There's a lip on the edge here. You can grab that. Yep. Nice. Get her up there.
I can't.
You got this. I got your leg. You can swing it. Nice.
No, you're amazing.
Yes. Yes, reach.
Hey, can I get a leg over here?
Hey,
Oh, I heard something.
That's okay. It wasn't.
There you go.
There it is. Kid, take that.
Yep. Yes.
yes!
Let's go.
Yes, there it is.
Oh, that's bad.
Swing that leg over here to me.
There we go.
Right here. There it is. Nice. We got you. There it is.
3.
I got you.
I'm good.
I'm gonna grab your wrist.
Okay.
There you go. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and let us know down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for more Tough Mudder events in the future, and if you want to help us out, go ahead and share this with your friends. Thanks so much.